In this video, we'll walk through adding a simple custom style to one of our layers. But first off, what is a style? A style refers to how a layer is depicted, as in what kind of symbols it uses to display features on the map. In the case of a simple style, all features have the same symbol. So with our small farms layer, when we created it, it was automatically given a default gray polygon style. But we can customize this to give it a more attractive appearance. Let's create a new simple style with a green outline and a transparent green fill. So we'll start from this resource page for the layer that we want to style, and we'll choose Editing Tools, Styles, Edit. This opens a style editing page where we can see a list that contains the default style that was originally applied. We'll add a new style to this list by clicking the Create New Style button. So from the list of style templates, we need to choose a template to use as a starting point. We'll use the simple template and click the Add Selected Template to List of Styles button. Let's give it a new title, such as Small Farms Green, and we'll save it. So with the new style selected in the Layers Style list, we'll click on the Edit Selected Style button. This opens the Style Editor. So in the Style Editor, you can toggle between the Visual Editor, which is what we're looking at here, and the Code Editor. You can use whichever one you find easiest. For this example, we'll use the Visual Editor. Before we make changes to the style, if we zoom into the features on the map, we'll be able to see them change as we make changes to the style. In the Visual Editor, we can change the color of the fill in the outline. So let's give it a green fill with 20% opacity. And opacity is adjusted by putting a different percentage into this A part of the RGBA values. So notice how the style of the features on the map changes as we go. So next, let's change the outline color to solid green. And finally, we'll give it a legend label, like Small Farms. This is what will show up in Map Legends next to the symbol. When we're happy with the style, we can save it with the Save Current Style button. Now let's click on the Go Back to Style List button to return to the list. Now we've created a new style, but we can see that the default polygon style is still the default style for the layer, as indicated by the small star at the side of the style in the list. If we want to make our new style the default, we can select it in the list and click the Set Selected Style as Default for the current layer button. Now our simple style is complete. Let's go back to the Layers resource page to see what's changed. So looking at the legend, we can see our style has been applied there and in the features on the map as well.